Hi, welcome to the next module for COS 107. This is going to be interactive. I encourage you to actually try and follow along with your own computer and play around. So the task that we are accomplishing now is actually downloading Python and play around with the interpreter a little bit. So let's go to the Python website, which you'll find up here at python.org. And this is the main page that you get when you type this into your browser. And so the quick links down on the left-hand side here, where you can download the Windows installer. And if you're running Windows, it should actually detect your operating system, so it should give you the other options as well. And for this class, we will be using Python 3. So right now, the current version of Python 3 is 3.3.2, as you can see here. So I'm just going to click on the Windows installer link. And of course, again, depending on your browser, it'll ask your permission to actually run the installer. And we'll just download the stuff. And while it's downloading, we'll see that and there's a lot more here. The thing that you'll probably spend most of your time on the Python website then will be actually the documentation, again, here on the left. And if you install this from macOS, of course, you should be seeing the macOS link. And if you install this from Linux, then the package manager of your preferred Linux distribution should actually take care of that automatically. So if you go and open up the package manager and install Python 3 from there, you should be all set to go as well. So Python's downloaded. Depending again on your preferences, you can install this individually or for all users. And I recommend doing this for all users. There's really no harm in there. And the default location is Python 3.3, as you can see here. Stick to the defaults, and you should be just fine. Now we seeing the install starting up, and as usual, user account control kicks in under Windows. The installation itself, as you can see, works fairly fast. And we're done. So we can now close this, and if we look here, there's new programs then being installed. Of course, it highlights Python 3.3, and there are a couple of things here. And mostly interesting for us most of the time is the Python graphical user interface. The integrated development environment for Python is called idle, and if you click on that, it will actually bring up a Python shell, and you can actually start writing code there.